This here is my dad's parts car. It's actually his old Jetta 92. Had over 500,000 when he laid it up. Had a few little problems. It actually still ran back then, but since then it's been cannibalized so bad it'll never run again. And the starter, we did try to get it running once, and the starter seized, the alternator seized. Don't even know if it'll even move anymore because the brakes are also probably all seized. But as you can see, it's got different panels on it because my dad unfortunately hit a deer and then a few months later got in a small front end accident. So I had to replace his whole front end. Now most of the front end off this car was actually quite good, except for one fender had a few dents from another deer he hit. And this is deer country down here. If you live down here, you hit a deer. But as you can see, I've had to rob pretty much the whole front end twice now. I got both fenders off, and the door's coming off. Not much left of this car either, but it's kind of funny. You'll see what the rest of it went to here later on when I take another good video.